Need another 3. 1, 2, 3. Count the number of the lap. This is 12 laps. Pull off the loop. Cut off the yarn. Pull out the yarn from the loop. Thread the yarn into needle. Twist the yarn to make it tight. Thread into the needle. Pass through this place of the front stitch. Pass through starting place. Tighten it. Adjust it. This is okay. Go on. Its last thing is to let it wrinkle up. Start from the first stitch. Pass through the 7th stitch. Also includes the threading stitch. Start to count. Pass through the 7th stitch. Pass through the 7th stitch. And pass through the first stitch. This is okay. Take the fiber fills into the middle.